let's start the lesson second, The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde. In this story, Oscar describes the hopeless situation of the poor people and also highlights the good action, charity, peace and happiness. So let's start the story. We come across a statue which at a time was a real prince. When the prince was alive, he was a happy prince. He lived in the palace Sanssouci and did not know about human suffering. His life full of joy. Upon his death, his statue was built at the top of a tall column in the city. The statue was covered all over with fine golds. मतलब स्टेचू जो था उसके ऊपर गोल्ड की परत थी. And his eyes had two bright sapphire. Sapphire that means जो blue stone होता है काफी expensive होता है. And a red ruby glowed with on his sword hilt. The statue was covered all over with fine golds. तो स्टेचू था वो पूरे सोने की परत से कवर था. And his eyes had two sapphires. जो ब्लू स्टोन होता है उसकी आंखों में वो दो ब्लू स्टोन थे एंड अ रेड रूबी जो कि उसके स्वर्ड हिल्ट में मतलब जो तलवार है उसकी हेड पे था. सो द हैप्पी प्रिंस लुक ब्यूटीफुल एंड एवरीवन इन द सिटी लव टू सी देयर प्रिंस सिंस ही वाज सिचुएटेड हाई अबव द सिटी on a tall column. So the prince was able to witness all the sufferings and sorrows which the common people have faced the daily life. जो प्रिंस का स्टेचू था वो सिटी के सेंटर में था और काफी हाइट था, तो वो वहां से सारे लोगों की सारी प्रॉब्लम्स देख पा रहा था. Once upon a time, a little swallow flew over the city. The bird was going to Egypt. His friend had gone away before 6 weeks. He had stayed behind. All day he long flew, and then at night he arrived at the city. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. So he alighted just between the feet of the happy prince. Here the happy prince was very sad because he saw the all poor people's suffering. जो लोग परेशान हो रहे थे उन्हें देख पा रहा था, and he is very upset. Then his eyes got watered and a large drop of water tear began to run down his golden cheeks. The little swallow, who had alighted between the feet of the happy prince, spent the night there, become curious to know where did the drop of water fall from. He looked up and saw the eyes of the happy prince full of tears. The bird took pity on the prince and agreed to remove the fine golds and jewels from his statue to distribute them among the poor and needy people. He started with plucking two ruby from the prince's sword and gave it to the poor lady who had no money to feed her child. Then he plucked a sapphire, a blue stone, from one of his playwright who was too poor and also very hungry. Then another day, the prince saw a mad girl who was being beaten by her father. The heart of the happy prince filled with the tears. The happy prince commanded the swallow to pluck out his other eye and help the girl. But swallow was not ready to do it because this would make the prince completely blind. On being instead, he plucked out the prince's other eye and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. The little bird decided not live to the company of the happy prince who had gone blind. Now, although the prince was not able to see the all sufferings and sorrows anymore, he knew it was there. वो जानता था कि यहाँ पे अभी भी बहुत सारी सफरिंग्स और सोरोस हैं, लोग काफी ज्यादा परेशान हैं. So he instructed the bird to take off all fine golds. जो भी इसका fine golds था, he took it and gave it to the poor people. The bird followed his words and picked leaves of the gold till the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. Then the snow came and the poor little swallow grew older. But he did not leave the prince. After some time, he died. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. At that time, it was in fact the leaden heart that had snapped right in two at the loss of the sweet and kind swallow. The statue was no more beautiful and useful, so the town councillors and the mayor pulled it down and then melted the statue. But the broken heart did not melt, so they threw it dustbin where the dried swallow was lying. When God asked of his angels to bring the two most precious things in the city, the angel brought him the leaden heart of a statue and the died bird. And here we end this story, and the question answer of this lesson will be sent to you on WhatsApp by tomorrow. Thank you.